Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and I've got something here that you guys might recognize from my other videos. But before I do get started, I just wanted to shout out to all of my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for all of your interaction with the channel. It always does help out. All of your thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, and posting those comments in the comment section below. I really do appreciate it all so much. I'm over 1,500 subscribers now, and I could not have done that without you. Thank you guys all so much for everything you do. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, I would definitely appreciate it if you headed on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to footwear either. So without further ado, let's get into this watch that we have for you today. Like I said, you might recognize this box from some of my other videos. This is actually a Stuhrling watch. Stuhrling is a great brand. I've purchased a couple of these watches already. I was very, very satisfied with the first one and kind of not so satisfied with the second one, but we're going to open this one up and see if we're satisfied again, see if we can get best 2 out of 3 out of these 3 watches that I have purchased from Stuhrling. I am not sponsored by Stuhrling or any watch company in any way, so I give you my honest opinion on these things, whether I like them, whether I don't like them. So I have no idea what's actually in this package. I'm looking at it for the first time right now, so let's check it out. First thing I noticed that it comes with an instruction manual, a warranty card, and a cleaning cloth. Let's take this watch out of the package and see what we've got here. Okay, first impression, I haven't even looked at it yet. First impression, it feels pretty cheap. It feels like a cheap $25, $30 watch. You're not going to believe it when I do tell you the price on this thing, but I can tell already it doesn't feel like it's worth the price. It looks like it has a genuine leather strap, pretty nice stitching on this thing. This is the Stuhrling Rialto. I could not find a lot of specs on this thing on the website, but it is a Japanese quartz movement. I did get that much out of it. Not sure what the crystal is. I can only assume for the price that it is probably a hardlex or a mineral crystal, not a sapphire. But it does have the Japanese quartz movement. Everything moves pretty well on it. Let's get this thing started for you. Okay, so it does have a pretty nice looking second hand with that dual color, the blue and the white. I do like that. I like the metal look, metallic look to the dial. So it looks like it does have 3 subdials. It's got the 30-day subdial, the 24-hour subdial, and the 60-second subdial. It does have that recessed look to the face, that deep dish look to it. I really, really do like that on the watches. Very nice looking watch. I just don't feel like it has the quality to command its price point. This thing does have a price right now somewhere in the neighborhood of $90 on Amazon, and honestly I think that's about $60 too much for this watch. I think it should be a $30 watch, but nonetheless, if you like it and you think that price is a good price, definitely click on that affiliate link. Like I always say, those affiliate links do not cost you anything more. It does give me a commission out of the sale, but it doesn't reflect on your end. So it is very much appreciated if you click on that Amazon affiliate link and head on over if you're interested in purchasing this watch. For me, I'm gonna have to pass on it. I think it does look nice. It does have some good attributes to it. Let's check out the illumination on this thing and see if it's even worth it as far as the illumination is concerned. It does have pretty bright lume on it. I will give it that. This watch does have some good attributes. Like I said, Japanese quartz movement and the genuine leather band. It is stitched fairly well. Very nice quality on these Stuhrling watches. But like I said, it just feels like it should be a lot less. It does have the signature on the clasp. It does have the logo on the crown. It's a nice looking watch. I'm gonna have to give it that. Just for me, I'm gonna have to give it a pass. Um, just don't really. It's not really what I think it should be. But you know what, guys? You can never really lose when it comes to Amazon. They do have an amazing return policy. We all know that Amazon's Prime term return policy cannot be beat by anyone in the business. So if you do decide you want to check this thing out for yourself and actually put it on your wrist, definitely head on over to Amazon, pick this thing up. I do believe it comes with an amazing return policy, just like everything on Prime. So you really don't have anything to lose. Once again, the price is under 90 bucks for this thing, and it's the Stuhrling Rialto with the Japanese quartz movement. And if you do like it, that link will be in the description below. It does actually say right here, it does have a Cristerna crystal, which is actually a hybrid between a mineral and a sapphire crystal. So it does have a very nice crystal on it. It does have the Japanese movement. It says it right there on the back. And it is water resistant to 30 meters. So it does have some of the information on the watch itself, not a lot of information on the website or the Amazon page, but it does have the information right on the back of the watch there. Stainless steel, water resistant to 30 meters, and the Cristerna crystal with the Japanese movement. So definitely, if you're interested in it, head on over and pick it up. Now, with the Cristerna crystal, I do think it bumps the price up, but commands that price a little bit more. And the water resistance at 30 meters does bring that up a little bit. So knowing some of the specs on this watch actually does kind of help out the price point. But once again, it feels very, very light. It looks beautiful. I think it's a great looking dress watch that'll look really, really nice with a business suit. So if you're looking for a watch that you want to wear to work or wear with a suit, this would definitely go really, really nice with a gray suit. And I do believe this came in other color options as well, but I'm not 100% sure about that. I do deal with many, many watches on a daily basis, so I think I may have that a little bit wrong, but I do think it did come in a couple of other colors. So definitely check it on out. Like I said, we'll post the link in the description below. And once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, I would definitely appreciate you guys heading on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear either. So till next time, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. Thank you guys all so much, and I hope you have a great weekend.